Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: battery at least 50% and the M1 firmware updated. Once done, plug the original Lightning cable into the unit and the USB-C 18W Plus adapter. This ensures stable power and reliable negotiation. Make sure to power off or put other radios in airplane mode to avoid interference. You'll now press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to wake the device, and follow the quick on-screen pairing prompt to proceed to the next configuration. You now continue by entering settings and selecting device, then Lightning M1. Enable auto-calibrate so the unit adjusts sensors on first use, because calibration reduces false triggers. Next, set sensitivity between 0, 5 and 0, 7 for balanced performance. Test with 2 short runs to observe response. Once satisfied, save the configuration as the Easy profile and back up to Cloud or SD. This prevents loss of your tuned settings and makes resets painless. Then verify that output levels match expected ranges. To finish, run a full dispatch test and monitor logs for anomalies. Aim for error rates under 5% so performance is reliable. If you encounter unresponsiveness, first reboot the M1, reseat the Lightning cable, and rerun calibration. These steps resolve most connection and sensor problems. If problems persist despite those fixes, export the logs and contact support. Providing the log lets technicians pinpoint firmware or hardware faults fast. Remember, methodical tests and backups save time when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.